Chevrolet redesigned the Corvette in 1968 and made it look more aggressive. Based on the Coke bottle design that was becoming popular at the time, the C3 Corvette was powered by a powerful V8 engine with impressive performance. Upon release, the L-71 was the most powerful engine with 435 horsepower, but Chevy also offered the L-88 option. This race engine produced 430 horsepower, with unique performance upgrades like a large 4-barrel carburetor, aluminum cylinder heads, and extremely high compression. By 1969, Chevy took things to the next level with the ZL-1, replacing the L-88 engine with a completely aluminum 427 cubic inch V8 engine designed for racing. The ZL-1 option was quite expensive, about $4,700, which was the same price as a 1969 Corvette. This package also required other mandatory options, costing an additional $550. As a result, only 3 cars were sold to the public. The Corvette ZL-1 was the fastest production car at the time. It is also considered the holy grail of Corvettes among collectors and enthusiasts. A 1969 Chevrolet Corvette ZL-1 sold for $3.2 million at a 2023 Sotheby's auction, making it one of the most expensive American performance cars of all time. You might be surprised to see the Dodge Coronet appear again on this list, but it seems the W023 wasn't the only rare version of this nameplate. In addition to the W023 race-ready version in 1967, Dodge also introduced the RT package for the Coronet. The RT was available with the new 426 cubic inch Hemi 5.8 engine, but only a few were produced in 1967, with only 2 of them being convertibles. The same thing happened in 1970, when the Coronet RT came with the upgraded Hemi engine. Although Dodge produced quite a few RT models, only 2 were made as convertibles. So if you like rare muscle car convertibles, the 1967 and 1970 Coronet RT Hemi convertibles are the rarest you can buy. If you're into rare classic cars, this is one you should be looking for.